Thanks for stepping into Bria'S kitchen. Today we're making some fried turkey wings that are super easy and great for the holidays. So first we're going to start off by cutting our turkey. You can keep it whole if you like, but I like to have them separate in case you're serving other people. Onion powder, Chachere, some garlic powder, and some regular seasoned salt. Pepper is not seasoned. Y'all hear that? Okay, so next we're going to take our Chachere's injectable butter. It's a Creole style butter. I feel like this is something that people use pretty often trying to season turkey. It comes with a needle that you're going to use to inject. So the best bet is, you don't know how much of this you're going to use, so make sure that you put it into a separate container and don't use the needle and put it straight into the bottle. That'll contaminate the bottle. The instructions also remind you to not cross-contaminate, but that's just my reminder to you. So I'm going to use a small glass cup that I have. I feel like this was the best option versus like a bowl, because it allows the liquid to move up and not spread across the bowl. So I'm going to take this and pour some in here. All right. Okay, so this is where the hole is in the needle. The liquid has to at least touch the hole or get into the hole for it to suck up into the syringe. Okay, so now we're ready to take our Chachere and inject our turkey. So let's start with this one. We're just gonna take it and stab it right in there and squirt. How many ounces am I gonna put? I don't know. Maybe half an ounce per each. You can see it. I'm gonna be sitting so I can see it start to build up, start to swell a little bit. And I'm gonna pull it out a little, just so we can get all up in there. So it has measurements on the side. Okay. You can feel the turkey growing. That's kind of cool. All right. So the legs are a little bit more difficult because they have like holes all over, like here for instance, and sometimes around the other parts, but we're still gonna blow this baby up. So stab it. Don't do that. Don't do what I just did. Okay, stab it in there and squeeze. Really can see it growing. Super cool. Alright. Oh my god, why I keep doing that, y'all? Spit and then blow that bad boy up. Do y'all see that thing going? Flavor, Jesus. Alright, so now you're gonna let this marinate overnight in the refrigerator, covered with some aluminum foil or plastic, and we'll come back tomorrow. All right, so now it's dinner time the next day. We're gonna go ahead and preheat our oil. A 5 out of 10. Make sure you do not burn your oil or it will burn your food. So here we have a turkey wing with flour and one without flour. I chose to do mine without flour. I like the skin a little bit better. You can see the season inside. I can see that. That's amazing. All right, y'all, this is so hot. All right, so this is the one with flour. Definitely crunchy. You can hear the crunch. And once again, you can definitely see the flavor inside. Oh, and shout out to Kim thinks she can cook, period, for her frying pan, for her cast iron skillet. So I'm just gonna literally just drop it. Remember we put the 20 chachere in there, it's been sitting, and we're just gonna drop it, literally. Bro. Yo! You gonna go crazy! You about to go crazy. Oh my God. Stop playing with me. And these are our amazing fried turkey wings. This recipe is super simple. It's great for the holidays, especially during quarantine. You have a small group of people. You don't want to make a whole turkey.